Welcome to Wi-Fi Money, where our mission is to help you increase and diversify your income online. Make sure you hit that like button if you gain any value, subscribe for more money-making tips, and tap that notification bell so you're first to each and every new money-making opportunity. Please feel free to check out our website, letsmakewifimoney.com, to get updates on money-making opportunities before they go live on our channel. We also have some awesome Wi-Fi Money merchandise if you need some new threads. Also linked below are all of our favorite software and programs used to make this channel possible, including SEO ranking tools, YouTube course, editing software, and best of all, the program we actually use to make these videos possible. Without a further ado, let's get into it. Wouldn't it be nice to make up to $500 plus while you lounge around your house in your underwear while eating overpriced DoorDash food? But that doesn't really matter because you're making up to $500 plus while lounging around your house in your underwear. Well, we've all seen the videos talking about investing $5 billion and earning passive income off it via stocks and living off of your gains. Well, unfortunately, some people don't have a penny to start up a side hustle or e-commerce business. But fear not, we have compiled the best business ideas to make passive income as a teenager, meaning these require little to no money to get started, don't require some extremely specialized skill, but most importantly are fun and lucrative. Now, first of all, there is no such thing as passive income. You have to do something to get the ball rolling, like make a YouTube tutorial on how to change a spark plug. Spark plugs will be around for a long time until electric cars take over. Regardless, you'll bring in views, aka cash money, for years to come without ever touching that video again. We have compiled this list based off of low barriers to entry via skill, time, and money with the highest returns. Moving on to the first one is starting a faceless YouTube channel. Now, cameras that are good enough for YouTube can start at $600, and sometimes your phone doesn't look or sound good. Maybe you have storage issues or can't stand editing on a small screen, but your mom has an old, crappy laptop in the closet. That's all you need for this. Lots of people dream of starting YouTube but do not have the camera confidence, or just simply want to expose themselves to potential criticism, etc. Starting a faceless animated explainer channel is my new favorite way to take advantage of the powerful YouTube business model without facing any of the potential harsh downside. Animated videos are not only easy to make, but they take very little time, are extremely engaging, and don't require any skills or specialized hardware to get started. Now, the easiest to use and cheapest animation software is Doodle Maker, and it only costs $67, but they are having a sale right now for $47. I have this entire channel using this software where I just simply read a script, or you can write your own, simply paraphrase online articles in your own words or whatever, and plug and play the animation characters. You'll make money off of the AdSense program once you're monetized. In order to be monetized, you'll need to acquire 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Otherwise, you can make money through brand deals, creating free merchandise lines, which is next, affiliate marketing, and selling your own e-commerce products like music, courses, ebooks, etc. Now, moving on to number 2 is starting a clothing brand with Printful. Now, Printful is 100% free to use, and you only have to spend money when you make money. My entire clothing brand is built off of Printful and Shopify, and you never have to print, pack, brand, or ship. You do not have to risk thousands of dollars of inventory anymore. Anybody can start now by learning more and signing up with the link in our description. So Printful is a print-on-demand service that you can integrate into Shopify, and here's how it works. Your customer places an order on your store. Printful then reviews that order automatically, immediately prints that order, packs the order with your branding, and ships it directly to your customer. The only thing you have to do is check your profit and continue your marketing. Now, startup costs will be $29 a month if you choose Shopify, $10 to $20 a year if you get a domain, which is highly recommended. Now, next is music and photo licensing. If you've got a creative streak, you can turn your photographs or music into a stream of passive income by licensing it to stock image and music sites. Other content creators then pay for the rights to use your creations. Musicians can sell their songs on sites like audiojungle.net, Pond5, while photographers can sell their images on sites such as Alamy and Adobe Stock. Take one photo and get paid for years to come. Next is earning passive income while advertising on your car. Earn passive income by turning your car into a rolling billboard. Sites like Free Car Media, Rapify, Carvertise, and Sticker Ride connect car owners with advertisers. In exchange for putting a vinyl decal on your car for an agreed upon amount of time, you'll earn a tidy passive income stream, all without disrupting your normal driving routine. Just make sure the platform and campaigns you choose match up with your driving habits. Some require a certain amount of mileage per day or that you be a delivery driver. Finally is vending machines. Owning and operating vending machines can provide a mostly passive income stream. You'll need to find a location and shell out at least a few $1,000s to get started, but from there, all you need to do is the upkeep. Just requires you spend a little bit of time each week restocking and servicing your machines, though you can outsource these tasks if you're willing to sacrifice a little bit of profits. Now, we hope you guys found something you can start up within this list. Stay consistent and keep learning new tidbits from your business or side hustle every single day. You will be shocked at how quickly these passive income streams can work together and start making you a real passive income in no time, especially if you're only a teenager. Now, if you would like to learn more ways to increase and diversify your income online, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We greatly appreciate it. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss a single video. We here at Wi-Fi Money greatly appreciate you guys hanging out with us, and I'm going to roll next an advertisement for the FastPass YouTube class, my personal YouTube course to get you guys started even faster.
Listen, folks, I would personally rather get a colonoscopy from a rusty chain link fence than to have to actually work for money. To be honest, I'm kinda lazy. I'm not even really all that smart. So, just to make my life that much easier, I went ahead and came up with the viral video formula and countless ways to monetize. You can't read that, can you? And for the past 6 years, I've been building passive income YouTube channels that monetize not only through AdSense, but brand deals and affiliate marketing, and starting a merch line and a clothing brand, and all of the secrets that you need to make some good cash passively. Spoiler alert, this is the easiest and best way to make money online. And if you don't want, you don't even have to show your own face. So why not turn the activities that you're gonna be doing on a daily basis anyway, like guitar, soap carving, cooking, competitive dog grooming, into a passive income machine? And here we actually have successful lawyer Joshua Roberts, who has joined the program.
How'd you get in here? Security!
Get paid for the things that you're already doing anyway. So, you got little time, little money to invest, but you want to make the big bucks. Well, join the program to figure out what I can do for you.